Hello. I had a question about system families today, or about a cable ladder, and the cable ladder is a system family. So I want to go over system families, what they are and how they work. And it's just simply here, system families contain family types that you use to create basic building elements such as walls, floors, ceilings, stairs. Oh, I need to add here also cable tray, conduit, and stairs in your building model systems. Families are predefined in Revit and saved in templates and projects, not loaded into templates and projects from external files. Okay, I'm gonna show you what all that means. And then we have three kinds of families, and they are in Revit: system families, loadable families, in-place families. Now, uh, most elements that you create in projects are system families or loadable families. Loadable families can be combined and created and shared as nested families. Okay, so now let's go into Revit here. Now, the young lady asked me, how do you make a cable ladder? That's a cable ladder. This is a cable tray ladder. Now, this ladder is a loadable family. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to go back to where we were talking about. Let's look at our system families. So we have a wall, and there's a floor, and then you got stairs. So I will just place some stairs here. I'll just go here and do that like that. No, I won't do that. I'll just make a straight run here. So let's undo that. Let's close this. And let's just make this here. So we'll do a stair. Also, you have ceilings. Okay, create a ceiling. Okay, let's finish that. Let's go in our 3D view for this, just so you can see what's going on here. So there's our wall, our floor, our stairs, system families. Then we have our ceiling, but we need to be in a ceiling view. So I'll go into this view and then I'll just go ceiling here. I think I can make it without walls. I think. No, I can't. I need walls. So I can sketch here. Okay, so here's my ceiling. That's another system family. And then I'll finish that. That's a system family. And then we'll do a roof. Okay, we'll just go from here to here. Now you don't see it because it's above. See, so there we go. So these are system families in architecture. So we got our roof, our stairs, our floor, our ceiling, and all the walls. So these are what we call system families. Now on the MEP side, I'm over here in this electrical drawing here. And I'm going to go to my power plan. It's always safe to work there. And now here, we want to go, we've been talking about cable tray. Now this is a cable tray family right here that we created. Now, I'm going to show you how this works. So I'm going to load this into this project. It should be 2, I think. Okay. So we'll load this cable tray family that we created. And we'll go down to, let me cancel that. Go to system, we'll go to cable tray fitting. That's not it, I'm sorry. We go systems, we go component. Maybe I loaded it into the wrong one. So let's, oh, I think I did. Yes, I put it in the wrong project, sorry. So I want that to go over here. So I want to load this family into this one. Okay, so now if we bring this cable ladder in, what we'll see is, okay, so now it's not visible, so let me go in the 3D view and see what's happening here. Okay, now there it is. Now this is a loadable family. Now I'm going to show you the families on the MEP side that are system families. First of all, we have pipe. Pipe is a system family, so it's conduit and pipe basically. Let me just do a conduit here. You might see that one. There we go. Conduit. Make it fine so you can see it. Conduit, it's the same in regard to pipe. And then we have our cable tray. So I'm going to show you our cable tray. Systems, cable tray. And we'll even use the ladder. So there's our ladder cable tray. Now, the difference here is this is loadable and this is system. You can make loadable for the detail and you can do a few things with it, but over here with the system family that's hard coded into Revit, you can do things like automatically add fittings. You can change elevations. It's taking them up to 15 feet. And it'll automatically add fittings. So that's the beauty of the system family. See, system family, Autodesk owns, and they basically make this hard-coded into the program. You know, we can manipulate things like I've done in the past, change size, but you really can't do anything like this. So then another thing we can do here with the system, now even with the conduit, it works the same way. You can go click it. We can draw conduit. And it'll place the fittings in for you. I might even go as far as it'll place. So what happens is with these system families, Autodesk is basically saying, oh, we're giving you every type of situation that you should need. And sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Now, with this family that we loaded in and we created over here, all we can do with this is we can draw cable, we can draw another cable tray to it. Let's see here, zoom in a bit. See, we got the detail there, we can draw a cable tray here, so we can do that. So it'll sort of work, but you don't have this much flexibility here. So now I can show you how to make this cable tray. I've made them, but another thing, we don't have the ability to do this either. I got a little frog in my throat. So we go here and we'll go say we can't do say this. See what happens, it breaks what we did here. So that's what happens when you have a system family. A system family is hard coded in. They give you all of these nice little things that you can do. Like here, I can draw. It'll automatically place my elbow in. That won't happen here because this is a loadable family and we created this. Now I can show you how to make this in another video. I think I got a video that I did that in. And now we're going back over here. Let's go in a 3D view for this. The same thing here, like with this wall. I can make this fine here. So if I click on this wall and I want to edit this type, and it's right now it's a basic generic wall, but I can normally we duplicate it and give it a name, and then it'll say okay. And then right here we can go and change. I'll do a preview. We can let me do a elevation section. So we can go in here and add materials for this wall. I mean, they're letting us manipulate it. So I can go here and I can add, or I will do it this way. Cancel this. So I'm going to insert. I'm going to insert again. So here I might want this to be brick. Okay. This should be at a key in brick, and I'll find it. There it is. Let's go common brick, and then we'll go okay there. We'll give it a thickness, let's say 4 inches here. And then we'll go with here, we'll probably say wood. Let's see. So we got all these different wood, let me just go wood. Well, I'm just going to put anything in here for now. I'll go with this oak flooring, which really wouldn't be there. You can find what you want, and then I'll get at a thickness. That'll be 4 as well, the stud size. And then here, we can go in here, we'll put some type of drywall, and then this is the interior side, and this is the exterior side. So here, let's go just add some drywall here. Drywall. So this is what system families is basically what you use to do with them. They basically there to okay. And so there's the wall. Now that shouldn't be, that gypsum board shouldn't be that thick. So I'll go back in my edit and see that's 8 inches. I just want to make that say a 1/2 inch. Okay. And then if we go here to our model, there's the wall. So I'll make this, let me see if it's realistic here. Okay, what happened? Oh, there it is. So there's our wall we just created. And the same thing happens with the floors. We go ahead and edit the type, and we build the floor out the same way. So that's basically what's happening with the system families. The roofs, the floors, the doors, and all these other things here. And now on this end, the same thing. We just go here, and for a system family, we select it. We'll go into type properties, and we'll edit type, and then we'll duplicate it. And then we'll go and modify and manipulate things. But as far as making these system families, we can't really make them. Now I'll show you another family type here. Would be the in-place family. So the in-place family is just a family you create in the project file. So here I'm going to go with I'm going to go to architecture, and then I'm going to go here where it says component, and then it says model in place right here. You select that, and then you put it in the category. I'm going to just call this generic and go okay, and then you give it a name here and go okay, and then you go in here and use your family tools in a regular family environment. So I want to go with extrusion here. Let's make this a shape like this here, and then let's this 1 foot depth. So let's make it it's in depth. So let's make it 3. Now you can create anything you want here, and then let's finish it. And there you go. So we'll finish it again. So that's our in-place family. Now you can edit this family as well. You can select it and then change the sizes or whatever you need to do. So we just went over all the different family types. Now, going back to this guy, you know, this is a cable ladder, but the more you probably want to use the system family cable ladder. They have solid bottom. It's like here. These are all the different types of cable. You have solid bottom, trough, wire mesh. Now, wire mesh is not really wire mesh. They just did it this way because it's basically symbolic or a placeholder, because you can't. I've got some wire mesh cable tray that I made, and they're extremely heavy. They are really big files, and these are easy, small to work with, and you can basically go in again and you can add these nice little fittings here. You just can't do that here. If anybody can figure it out, let me know, because I haven't got it yet. Now with this one here, I'm going back into the family now. I'm back into this environment. So I've got three different things happening here. I've got a architecture file here for these system families. And then I've got this one. Now, if I look at this, this is how this was created. So I want to open this family up here. Let's just expand this guy a bit if we can. I'll do this. View, I'll close inactive. Okay, so shut it down. No, I don't want to shut it down. See, I don't really understand too well 21. I've been working in 18 too long. But anyway, let's go in here and let's look at how this family is built. I want to just do this. Come on. Oh, geez. There we go. So I want to show you this now. In this family, this is all we did. This is a matter of, we go into our reference level here, and it's just a system of arrays. And then we have here, these are other families. And then we have arrays. So all we can do with this is we can change the width. So we've got it here where we've got all these different widths. So here there's my 36, and I'll click apply. You need to see that. So change width. So we just do it this way so we can see. So you can do things with this, and sometimes people want these, and I think this may be your situation where somebody wants you to do this. I think the system families are a lot better to handle, and they're faster. But we can do this, and like I said, these are profiles here, and these rungs are, so I can open one of these. So here they are right here. So here's the flange family right here. That's a family in itself, and it's a line-based family. That's the flange. And then if I close that one down, no, I don't want to save it. And here are the rungs. Now these are nested families that we talked about in the beginning. And if I go to this reference level here, it's just the rung family, and it matches up with the profile. So I can show you how to make this. I think I can find a video that I did when I made this. But I think that the system family is much better to use. It's a lot faster, but then again, you get some people, they didn't have all of this detail. So like all of the detail is there. You just can't get that in the system family. You can do so much. But now here, like I said before, you got the three family types. We went through all of them. There's the wall, the ceiling. Even with the ceiling, it works just like the floors and the walls. You just edit the type, and then you go in and edit it, and you go in and build out the ceiling, what materials you want to use. Because they're basically saying they're giving you every possibility that's out there. That's what all of this is saying, I think. And some of these work nice. I mean, you can get away with it. Even the stairs, you got different type stairs. So I'm going to leave it there. I hope this helps, and thanks for watching my video. And Any other questions, let me know. And if that doesn't help you out, I'll show you how to build this family right here. I mean, we got it to a point whereas we can flex it. See, like I can change it to, it flexes pretty good. Let me make it a 6-inch. So it's a pretty good family. Now, another thing about this one is, now this is what happens here. Now this family was a 20-foot family, so we had to fix this. Now this won't work, I don't think. Say if I make this 30, we don't make them that size anyway, but see what happens. See, it breaks. So we've got to go in there and fix some things. Oh, wait a minute. It did work. Let me try that again. It's just 30. Now, okay, it worked. Now, if you like, oh no, it didn't work. See, that shouldn't be there. It's got some issues here. Now, if you like, I can email you this file, this family that I've worked on. But again, thank you for watching the videos, and hope this helps. Thank you, and have a good day, and bye for now.